Tension gripped the Kalinganagar industrial complex yet again when activists considered to be the supporters of Visthapan Birodhi Janmanch, the organization spearheading the movement against industrialization in the area, clashed with the workers of Tata Steel at Champakoila within the industrial complex. The clash occurred on 29th July when 20 to 25 agitators in masks and armed with traditional weapons reached the company site, disrupting land leveling work being carried out by 30-odd workers. Sources said agitators set ablaze 4 motorcycles besides setting afire a tipper engaged in land leveling work. A lady who sustained serious injuries as a result of the clash has been admitted to the hospital. The injured lady had been identified as Raimani Dogam, a resident of Tata Transit Colony. Besides, 2 others, including a contractor and a tipper driver, are stated to have been injured. The agitators are stated to have fled even before the police forces reached the site. Police did not have to fire rubber bullets as the agitators had fled from the spot before the police forces reached there. Mr. D.S. Kutte, the Jajpur Superintendent of Police, said that they are keeping a vigil on the site and 6 platoons of police forces have been deployed to avert any untoward situation. Once again, this shows the naked truth of Visthapan Birodhi Janmanch. They are trying to force their opinion on landless poor tribals. From the death of Sanjay Sai of Gobarghati in 2006 to the death of Sridhar Sai of Gobarghati in 2009. In Kalinganagar, the saga of violent suppression of Kalinganagar rich tribal landlords continues with the active support of local activists.